Hello everyone and welcome back to Travel Solo. This time we'll fly our drone above Garbemco Hot Spring Resort. We drove for 20 minutes from Ipil Zamboanga Sibugay to Kabasalan Zamboanga Sibugay to reach this place. It was my dad and my birthday celebration when we visited this place together with our family. While on our way to the place, I have noticed that there were a lot of black cups that were strapped into the trees. Then I realized that those were latex cups collecting saps from the rubber trees. So to enter the resort, a 50 pesos entrance fee is required for all ages. I suggest that you have to make an advance booking before coming to this place, as cottages are rented so fast. Bringing your own food is allowed except for alcoholic and non-alcoholic drinks, as these are available within the resort. There are various kinds of pool sizes designated for adults to younger children, and they also have a lifeguard on standby. The water is chlorine free. The water at the pool is actually the main attraction, as it is not your average cold water from a normal hotel pools or chlorinated pools, because it's naturally warm from around 30 to 32 degrees Celsius, and it's coming from a hot spring. So there were also flower gardens to add the beauty of the place. Although the place can still be developed though to make it more attractive. However, it's already good to know that there were places like this nearby, near our town, so we can have some place to spend for our family outings. So enjoy the ride of my DJI Mini 2 drone flying over Garbemco Hot Spring Resort.
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything, so I'ma just keep buying everything. See you in the next life, have to be a better me. I don't think that my head's on straight, gotta flip it and grip it and go and get an x-ray. What's wrong with me? I just feel weight pushing on my chest and it squeezes till I suffocate. Better change my mindset, meditate. It's pretty cool that I'm alive and have better days. I could walk, see, hear, I should celebrate. Think I could change my mind, maybe elevate. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. I'm kinda stuck between a rock and a hard place. Do I work hard or live at my pace? You're only young once, yeah that's all great, but I also want a future where I'm okay. Living life is doing lots of cocaine. Wait no, it's living with no shame. Wait no, it's sleeping in on Sundays. I guess it's different for each of us and that's okay. Well I just wanna be happy, how to get there? Glad that you asked me. I think it's different for everyone. Some of us need work, others need fun. Some of us need purpose to overcome. But try to do what you love when it's said and done. Cause there's so many differences in each of us. Trust your gut, it can show you what you want. Living life, every day.